Good morning, Campbellians, and welcome to Assembly this week. I'm so excited to finally share with you our community event. And Mr. McNerlin is going to share with us some details about the wonderful organisation that we're partnering with.
Hi guys, it's a privilege to come and say that we're going to support Storehouse again. Many of you have supported them in the past. So they're a great charity, local charity. They do a lot throughout Belfast. They supply people in need with bedding, with food, with furniture, and I could sing their praises all day, but we'll show you exactly what they do through their video.
Myself, it was great to learn more about this fantastic organisation, and we really hope that you'll get on board and partner with us to be able to support our local community.
Okay guys, Storehouse require different items at different times of the year. We will firefly you all the information, but in summary, at the minute we're looking for bedding, including pillows, duvets, etc., and also a range of non-perishable food items as well. But we'll get that all across to you. Thanks.
Hello Campbellians, we as head of houses are just going to introduce some easy essential items you could bring to the Storehouse campaign.
Bring some pasta, it's going to make everybody happy.
Who doesn't like some chocolate? Buy some chocolate to help.
Bring some after eights, because who doesn't love after eights?
Bring along some soup because it's quick and easy.
Bring some Schlur, can't go wrong with Schlur.
Here's some jam, it's cheap and easy and can really put a smile on someone's face this Christmas.